What's on, guys? This is Peter from Price Action Forex Limited, and today I'm back with another trade breakdown, which is of DJ30 or US30, whatever you call it. And we took the trade in our PICC VIP channel, and with this trade we were able to gain 2420 plus pips with a risk to reward of massive 1:5.08 RRR. So without any further ado, let's head into the charts. So this was our 30-minute Dow Jones chart at that time, and price was in a bearish structure, as you can see. So what price did was that price grabbed liquidity here, and we saw a liquidity inducement from here as well, and later on price broke structure below. So if I just show you, yeah, so at that moment NY opened and we were in the 3 minutes time frame. So if I just put on the sessions on, so yeah, so what price did was that price filled our 2-minute imbalance. It's very clear on 2 minutes, and later on price had a some sort of trendline liquidity here. Price took it out, and also after filling the imbalances, many traders went short from here. So later on price again came here and induced some more liquidity, and later broke structure internally here. So when price came back to test it again, and we saw a nice bearish candle, so we decided to go short as it was our New York session, and also we had a pretty much high volume at that time. So this was our trade, and let's see how did this trade go. Yeah, so this was it. We closed the trade here because of our 5-minute imbalances here. So, and also like this zone was quite important because from here price rallied up above here. So basically this was our markup, and we get in a huge 2400 pips from this particular trade. So this was it, guys. See you in another trade breakdown video.